Good morning students. Today we are starting lesson number 6, computer keyboard. Children, as you can see, computer system has a various parts and we have already studied about these parts like first monitor. Monitor used to see whatever we are doing on computer, we see on a monitor. Second part is a central processing unit. It is also known as a brain of computer because all the processing and calculation done with the help of CPU. Third is a keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing the input and instructions to the computer, and mouse is used to select the options on a computer. You people use the mouse to draw and play games on computer. So these are the main parts of computer system. And in this chapter children, we will discuss about the computer keyboard. What is the use of computer keyboard and how can we use the various keys of keyboard. Normally students, what we used to write on a paper, we use pencil or pen. In school students use pencil and pen to write classwork, to do homework. Teachers are using the pen to check the copies of the students, taking attendance and writing on a report card. In office employees use the pen to do their work. So everyone use pen or pencil to do the work and to write on a paper. Like girl is doing homework with the help of pencil, doctor is writing about medicines using the pen. We all use pen or pencils to write on a paper. But children, when we are working on a computer, we use keyboard to type. As we use pen or pencil to write on a paper, when we work, on a computer we use keyboard. Now, the boy is doing homework on a computer with the help of keyboard. Again, the doctor is writing about the report of a patient and she is also using the keyboard. So, on a computer, keyboard is very important to write. We write the information, data, and we write the instructions also on a computer with the help of keyboard. So, now children, we will study about computer keyboard. We use keyboard to write. And what we can write with the help of keyboard? We can write characters, alphabets, we can write words and sentences, we can write numbers. So keyboard is a very important input device. And keyboard has a many small buttons. They are known as a keys. So keyboard is a combination of various keys, and in this chapter children we will study about the basic keys. See, this is the label diagram of a keyboard children. You can see there is a caps lock key, there are some alphabet keys marked with alphabet. This one is biggest key is a space bar that has a nothing written on it. This is enter key. There are 2 enter keys you can see, and these 4 are arrow keys. On the top see, there are number keys marked with numbers, and there is a backspace key written backspace on key. So these are some important keys and general keys we have to understand about them. So children, mainly there are 3 types of keys on a keyboard, like alphabet keys that are marked with alphabet, number keys that are marked with numbers, उन पे number लिखे हुए हैं, and there are some special keys that has some other work like space bar key. Children, space bar key used to give space. Enter key is used to enter a new line in a document, and caps lock key is used when we have to type in capital letters, and we use arrow keys to move the cursor, and one by one we will understand about each of these keys. Children, we are starting with the alphabet key. As you all know, in English we write sentences, words with the help of alphabets A to Z. There are 26 alphabets. So same children, on a keyboard there are 26 alphabet keys, and with the help of these alphabet keys we write from A to Z letters, and we can write letters, we can frame words, sentences, write paragraph with the help of alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys, and children, you can see alphabet keys are not in order, that is starting with the A, B, C, D, they are not in proper order, and we use alphabet key to type our sentences. And with the help of keyboard, you people can write stories, poems, you can write your question answers, so keyboard is very important, and on keyboard alphabet keys are too much important. So children, today's our topic is over. Please revise about the alphabet keys. Thank you.